a smiling face only by this grace. Cause love's more than I can take. Yeah. And so we pray. And so we pray. And so we pray. We'll be singing bye-bye till nobody's in the
Let's learn, we pray. It's choreographed by Esmeralda and Pol Guillaume Richard. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the intro and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance the intro and 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn, we pray. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step back with our right and sweep our left from front to back. You're now going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross rock your left over your right, recover onto your right foot, rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right foot. We're now going to step back with our left and sweep our right from front to back. You're going to cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right. You're going to do a full spiral over your left shoulder, turning on your right foot, bringing that left foot into your right to face 9 o'clock. You're then going to step forward with your left and step forward with your right. We're now going to keep our feet exactly where they are, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, and sweep your right from back to front and slightly over your left. And you'll be facing 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping back with your right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Section 2, we're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side. We're going to step back with our right and sweep our left from front to back. You're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left, and then we're going to step forward with our right. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right, make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock, and then make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. When you finish this step back, you want to make sure that your hips are slightly open to the left, because we're going to make a quarter turn immediately into the next section. So let's try that with some counts. Our quarter turn with our sweep is 1, so you're crossing over. It's 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, and. Section 3, we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, doing a nightclub basic to the left. So we're going to make that quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, and then cross your left over your right. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot into the 430 diagonal. We're now going to do a diamond. So we're going to cross our left over our right. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. And then you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 130. You're now going to step back with your right foot, make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock. And then you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder as you rock your right foot over your left, and then recover back on to your left foot. Step your right foot to the right side, squaring up to the 12 o'clock wall. Touch your left next to your right. You're now going to step your left foot to the side, and as you step to the side, you're going to sweep your right foot around, making a half turn over your left shoulder to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our half stepping back. So we're facing 6 o'clock. Weight is on your right foot. You're going to do your quarter nightclub. So it's 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to cross rock our right over our left, recover onto your left foot, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock, and then touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side. We're going to do a right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left, step your left foot to the side, step your right foot to the right side. You're now going to cross your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. Step forward with your left, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot, but as you put your weight on, you're going to rock forward and then recover back onto your left. So you want to think that you're turning on this left foot, making that half turn, and as you would put your weight onto your right, it's going to be a rock forward and recover back. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our half sweep, so we're going to do our cross rock for 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. You want this to be a little rock forward, kind of like a press, and then recover. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, you're stepping back with your right. Back sweep, behind side, cross rock, side rock, back sweep, behind quarter full spiral, step, step, quarter sweep, cross, side, back sweep, left coaster, step, step, rock, recover, half, half quarter, nightclub. Now you're stepping to the diagonal, cross, eighth, eighth back, back, eighth side, eighth, cross rock, recover, eighth side, touch, half sweep, cross rock, recover, quarter touch, side, sailor, step, behind, quarter, step, half rock, recover. And you'll be facing 6 o'clock. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping back with your right and sweeping. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the intro. Your intro is just going to be the last few counts of the dance. So we're going to be facing 3 o'clock and we're going to dance from section 4, counts 5 through 8 and then start the dance facing 12 o'clock. So your weight would be on your left. Your 5 and 8 is your sailor step with your right. So you're going to do your right sailor step, then you're going to do your behind quarter, your step, half rock, recover, and then you will start the dance back sweep. So that is your intro. It's going to come right at the very start of the dance. When you listen to the music, there's a little bit of like a musical part, and then it's going to go into this. So you want to make sure you are listening. It's going to have that same beat like it does in the rest of the dance. So once you get hearing the song, you'll hear where it starts. So let's try it with some counts. You're doing your sailor step, so it's 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and then you're doing your whole dance. Now let's talk about the ending. The dance is going to end facing 6 o'clock on your rock recover. All you're going to do is make a half turn over your right shoulder. What I like to do is make that turn and step my right next to my left, so I'm facing 12 o'clock, and then you're going to put your hands up like in a praying motion at your chest, and that is how you're going to end the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do the intro in 4 walls of the dance. So for the intro, I'm going to do the steps. Front wall will do steps, back wall will do counts. Weight is on your left, facing 3 o'clock. To start our intro, you're going to do your sailor step. So it's sailor step, behind quarter step, half rock, recover, start the dance, back sweep. Behind side, cross rock, side rock, back sweep. Behind quarter full spiral, step, step, quarter sweep, cross, side, back sweep. coaster, step, step, rock, recover, half, half, quarter, nightclub with your diagonal, now your diamond, cross, eighth, eighth, back, back, eighth side, eighth, cross, rock, recover, eighth side, touch, half sweep, cross, rock, recover, quarter, touch, side, sailor, step behind, quarter, step, half, rock, recover, start over, it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and back sweep. Behind side cross, rock, side, rock, back sweep. Behind quarter full spiral, step, step, quarter sweep, cross, side, back sweep, coaster, step, step, rock, recover, half, half, quarter, nightclub with your diagonal, now your diamond, cross, eighth, eighth, back, back, eighth side, eighth, cross, rock, recover, eighth side, touch, half sweep, cross, rock, recover, quarter, touch, side, sailor, step, behind, quarter, step, half with your rock, recover, start over, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn We Pray. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
And so